Yagers, this is our eggplant omelette.
Kusina de Yagers.
Hello, what's up Yagers? This is me, Kusina de Yagers, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog po, we are going to make an eggplant omelette or tortang talong. So let's start. Our ingredients are the following: eggplant, tomato, onion, magic syrup, egg, black pepper, salt, and oil. So let's start. First thing that we should do is we'll grill the eggplant. Just like we are putting here, since we don't have a griller, this is a manual. We need to grill it. While grilling the eggplant, we need to slice the tomato and chop onions. Now we're almost done. We need to turn off the heat, and we are ready to peel the skin of the eggplant. eggplant omelette. So this is the mixtures of egg, onion, and tomato, and we put also some salt and pepper to taste. Then we need to put one eggplant here. So make it be careful because there is already full. We have to put it here and smash it because we are going to fry this one. So let's wait. Next is we need to heat the frying pan. So once it is heat, we need to put that oil. So we need to spread it once and put some in the upper portion. We need to slow down the fire. So one at a time. So there you go guys, the aroma is very nice. So let's see, I need to go on that. Next part, I think it's very hard to. This was very hard to click on the other side. So I need to flip it again on the other side. So it's getting now it's getting it's drawing not perfect. Okay, now we need to remove it with the help of our so we're almost done actually. I think it will not be broken, but it's already broken guys. Wow, look at this. So it's almost broken, but it's perfectly done. So this is our first fried egg omelette, eggplant omelette. So we will do the same procedures to the other two eggplant. Then we will do repeat the process, but I need to add some oil on it. This is my favorite food. So I have to learn how to fry this one and perfectly doing it once in a while. So I hope this time can perfectly fry it. Okay, as you can see, this is the second time that we will fry, and there are so many bubbles and all is turning into brown color. So we will try to keep it on the other side. So be careful, we have to see. Now I already did it perfectly. So this is how is it? It's turning into brown color. So many bubbles. So this is almost done. We need to remove it from the fire. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's very hot. So this is the second part. So we'll cook this third portion. Now we will add additional oil. So as you can see, it's the pan is turning. And two red one, this will be our last part. So we need to put the last part. This is our last eggplant. Very messy. Not to put all together. As you can see, the oil is getting darker. So we need to put it on the other side. I hope it will perfectly click. Okay, so you can see sometimes it turns into it's not easy to flip it. I have to make some. Oh, so it's hot. I'm going to use my hands to flip it. Ah, see. Oh. So I have done it perfectly. Oh guys, this is so good. So I already removed it from the fire. So this is our third omelette. So Yagers, this is our eggplant omelette. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos, and ring the bell so that you will be updated to my YouTube channel. See you again on my next vlog.